Greetings, everybody. So in this very short video, I'm going to explain to you a GUI, graphical user interface, that we have developed for an encryption algorithm from this work here, exploiting circular shifts for efficient chaotic image encryption for my IEEE access. I'm going to put a link for this work, which is open access, into the description of the video. Okay, so let me show you the graphical user interface. It practically implements the encryption algorithm. It is very, very simple. Some of the keys in the encryption algorithm are plaintext dependent, while others are set by us. Okay, so first of all, let us load an image. So I'm gonna load a plaintext, very simple image right here. Very nice. And now let's set the encryption keys. Let's say alpha and beta are 5, n equals 1, upper 0.9, beta is 0.73, C is 1, and D equals 1. So here, if you read the full text article, some parts of the key are plaintext dependent through a hash function, and others are set by us. So I set here the plaintext independent keys. Internally, the algorithm will set the plaintext dependent keys, and then I can hit encrypt and save keys. And what the GUI does is this. It encrypts the image, and immediately it pops up a window to save the encryption keys for the process. So I say here, secret keys, okay, and save them as a txt file. Very nice. So now, this is the encrypted image. I can also save it. It has a button here that says save result. Okay, so let's save this image. Let's call it ciphertext. And now the encryption process is complete. Okay, so I can now perform the reverse process to decrypt the file. So then, if I want to decrypt a possible image, I can first load the ciphertext image. Okay, actually, you know what? Let's close the GUI and open it from the start. Let me run the code again, just so that I can show you that the two processes are completely independent. So let me load the ciphertext image. Very nice. So this is my loaded image. Okay. And then I need to load my decryption keys. So ideally, I want to send this txt file through a secure channel to the receiver, which includes all of the encryption keys saved. Okay. So I load the txt file. I don't need to send anything here. So I have loaded my image. I have loaded my decryption keys, and then I simply hit decrypt. Okay. And of course, the algorithm works perfectly. Okay. It loads from the txt file all the secret keys, okay, and uses them on the decryption algorithm on the ciphertext image and gives us back the decrypted image. Okay, so I'm gonna put a link for this GUI in the description of the video. I'm gonna put a link for the paper as well in the description of the video, so you can try it out for yourself and encrypt and decrypt any image that you want. Thank you very much.